Hey guys, it's Caroline from Paradiso Insurance. I'm here to talk a little bit about what to do if your Facebook business page or even your personal account gets hacked. We've actually had a few people reach out to us looking for advice on how to handle these situations. With people being home longer, it almost seems like the internet hackers are bored and looking for something to do. So there has been a little bit of increase in that. What to do if your Facebook or Instagram accounts get hacked is the first thing is you're going to want to contact Facebook support. They're then going to ask for a list of documents for you to provide. Those include pictures of your driver's license, front and back. They also may ask for your business license. They just are looking for something to prove that you are who you say you are. A lot of times a public listing of your agency name, the owner, the year it was established, the address, a lot of times that will suffice. They're also going to ask for a few invoices. This could be an electric bill for your agency, or if you do ads on Facebook, you get ad receipts from Facebook. Those are a great thing to provide Facebook with. What better proof that you are who you say you are than to give them the receipts that they have been giving you? Once you provide Facebook with all of these documents, what they're going to do, they're going to go through them all. They're going to obviously see that you are who you say you are, and they're going to reinstate your account and give you back control over that. And from there, it's as simple as you want to make sure you change your password. Upgrade your settings to as secure as you can possibly make them, and you're back in control. If you have any questions or if you run into this scenario and you still need a little help, we're happy to help you. Give us a call at 860-684-5270. Thank you very much.